Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Hello everyone. I would like to say thank you for coming my presentation. It's great to see you all. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Nuraeni. I want to presentation about how the argumentative power of critical discourse analysis to select the text for academic purpose by Nur Najibah Sukmawati, Sukma Septian Nasution. Abstract, a text deserves comprehensive analysis on its textual structure as well as sociocultural context to meet readers' comprehension. This find out linguistic style of the text and identifying power struggle behind an argumentative text entitled Computer for Children. Advantage or drawback. The analysis concludes that formula complex, verbal, competitive, multi-respective, evidence-based, metaphorical, and overwording diction underpinned in institutional social activity, evidence-based, and analytical argument issue. Introduction. Implicit elements of the text sometimes more important to understand than what is stated explicitly. However, many people invest significant effort in comprehending a text through linguistic unit. They focus on analyzing the meaning conveyed by its syntactical chains. Understanding syntactical chains realized by clauses make the readers ignore meaning behind its text, which is potential to explore to find out more information of the text. Analysis and categorization. 1. SFL. Systemic Functional Linguistics. For SFL, text is a system of meaning or to say when people use language. 2. CDA by SFL enables us to look into the discourse dimension of power abuse, which leads to injustice and inequality of the text. Provide equal and balanced argument on whether using a computer brings more advantage than drawbacks for children. CDA accounts for how discourse in order to uncover the power struggle, social inequality, and other forms of social and political problems at issue. CDA accounts for how discourse structure, which are established top various linguistic patterns and structure work in their specific ways to convey social cognition, which in turn contribute to the development of the social structure of inequality and injustice of power in society. Finding and discussion. The technique of analyzing the discourse is by using Norman Fairclough model of critical discourse analysis. He has three sub-analysis headings: description, interpretation, and explanation, where each heading is the analysis by using systematic functional linguistics. The analysis of the text is critically elaborated follow. 1. Description. Vocabulary used in the text can be used as a way of analyzing language structure shown as follows. Firstly, the text has both positive and negative classification scheme, such as irresponsible, not prepared, strictly, risks, and least mature are words possessing negative value. In contrast, the words like great, independence, safety, responsible are to positive value. Next, the relation aspect is refers to social relation aspect of the text is equal relation instead for hierarchical one. It can be seen for the absence of imperative words. The equal relation is chosen because the purpose of the text is to discuss the issue between the author and the reader. Expressive value is related to the appreciation flowed due to 2013, the text used many expensive value to soften or sharpen the evaluation to children to play with computer. She is an open-minded and democratic person who welcomes all argument is logic, plausible, and evidence-based. Textual structure, the interactional convention, which is used is varied in tautological orientation and contradictory orientation. Interpretation. Interpretation is context of situation which consists of field which defined as what is going on. They are understood as who is involved in the interaction and mode that concern with ways or medium in the interaction. The three elements are called situational context. Explanation. The author is in the capacity of giving scientific and analytical arguments about issue. It is also in the capacity to overcome diversity in arguing by giving balanced pro and against arguments to be issued. Conclusions. Criticizing sociocultural and ideological values hidden in a text enables the readers to broader information rather than what language structure of the text offers. By using Fairclough's staging analysis, the text used as the object to this study reveals some extension they are. 1. The language used in the text is dominated by the language. 2. Power to the readers is equal that the author provided, rather than provoked scientific and analytical argument. The reference, Verloc Norman, 1989, Language and Power, New York Lockman, Verloc Norman, 1995, Critical Discourse and Analysis, The Critical Study of Language, New York Lockman. Thank you for your listening. See you.